Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a very exciting video. I'm going to be showing you what I carry inside of my bag. And this is the bag that I will be showing you today. I did another video like this maybe quite a while back ago where I showed you what I carry inside of my Louis Vuitton bag, but today I want to show you what I carry inside of this really cute pink My Sweet Piano bag from Maison de Fleur. So if you're interested, then let's get started. So yeah, let me show you the bag first. I already showed this in a video about my Sweet Piano collection, but this is the bag from Maison de Fleur, which is a Japanese brand, and I have a My Sweet Piano mascot plushie here and here, and this is the bag. And yeah, this is actually a very spacious bag. Even though it looks quite small, it does fit a lot of items. So let me show you what I have. This is the first thing that I have. It's a little bit dirty, so please don't mind, but this is a little card case holder from Disneyland that I got a few years ago for Easter. That's why it has bunnies all over it. And yeah, I'm not sure what it's meant for, but in here I just carry my cards, like my bank cards, basically just bank cards, because I have a lot of different banks. And in here you can also put like your health insurance card and other important things. So I like to keep all of my cards like this that are really important, not point cards, but this kind of stuff, in a separate pouch. And I don't have a proper wallet, so you will see in a second, but yeah, this is what I use to keep all of the important card items. Next, let me show you. This is the wallet. This is actually a coin purse, but I use it as a wallet. And I do jam coins and bills in here, which is terrible. And yeah, the bills do not look that nice, but that's okay with me. Yeah, this is a My Sweet Piano, of course, a little coin purse. I do want to get like a proper wallet where I will be able to put bills normally and put all the cards, but as of now I don't really have any that I really like, so that's what I use. So next thing that I want to show you is this, and this is my makeup pouch. This is how it looks like. So this is also my Melody, My Sweet Piano, and I also showed this in my recent haul. So if you haven't seen that, please have a look. And I will show you what I carry inside of my makeup pouch at the end of this video. So if you want to see what's inside of this makeup pouch, then please stay until the end of this video. On my keys, I have two keychains. I used to have more, but they were too bulky, so I took all of them out except for these two. These are actually the things you can put on your keys, like on the back of your key, but mine did not really fit that well, so I just used these two as a keychain. And of course, this is my Melody, My Sweet Piano. Next thing that I always carry in my bag is a perfume, and I'm still using Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. I do use this quite often, but I still have a long ways to go to finish this. But this is the one that is like a roll-on perfume. It smells really good. I feel like this is more of a spring scent, but I always want to smell really girly, so I just use this one. Plus it's very small and it fits in any kind of a bag, so that's what I use. Next thing is this, and this is a little kind of zipper bag with my Melody, and in here I put some candy. So this is the High Chew candy with different flavors, and the reason why I carry this is first because I want to give it to some to my friends or to someone if they ever want a candy. Second reason is because I work as a teacher, and sometimes my students will give me candy and I want to give something back to them. And third reason is because sometimes I get really hungry, but I don't have any chance to eat, and when I feel hungry I feel like I'm gonna pass out, so this helps me to kind of bring up my sugar level. So that's why I carry this at all times. Next thing that I have is this, and this is my mirror. I also showed this in my recent Liz Mellow haul. I carry this mirror in a little pouch because this doesn't have any bag to it. I don't want to scratch the back side of this mirror, plus it keeps it nice and clean. So this is a really cute mirror with My Sweet Piano and my Melody. This is a body wipes. This is non-alcohol, so this won't work as a sanitizer, but yeah, I always like to have wet wipes just in case. Next, I have this little handkerchief, and this is the Sanrio Halloween handkerchief with a bunch of different characters, and this was a freebie from Sunny Shop, so I like to keep that. Next thing I have is this, and this is my good old pill case with Alice, and in here I keep all of my medicines, so if I have any kind of problem, headache, stomach ache, whatever, I always have medicine to keep me safe. So that's all for the main compartment, and now let me show you what's on the side. So I have more pills here. Then I have my transport card, and this is an Alice in Wonderland transport card. So as you may know, I'm also a huge fan of Alice in Wonderland. So yeah, my Pasmo, my transport card, the train card, is here. The thing I always keep with me is this Mintia. This is just really strong mint with like very strong flavor, and I always make sure I have those because I get sick very easily, like nauseous. So I always want to have mints with me, as well as very strong gum. This is one of the strongest gums that I found so far from the ones that I tried. This is the Clorets, the black type, and they have different ones. They have blue and green, but the black one is the most minty one, so that's why I have that. Next thing is my AirPods, and I used to have like a top part to this case, but it fell off. I don't know where it is, but yeah, this is just some regular AirPods. I have some eye drops, always very close to me because I do wear contacts and my eyes get dry super easily, especially in the winter and fall, so I always want to have that. And last thing in the side pocket is this, and this is just the Bath & Body Works Sweet Peony hand sanitizer that I always carry with me. Any kind of sanitizer works. So that's all for the bag, and now let me show you what's inside of the makeup bag. So this is not just a makeup bag, but like all of my small necessities. So let's see. I guess the first thing I have is this. This is just a regular comb, nothing special. I do want to get a cute pink comb, but so far this one I just got from the freebie from the hotel. Then I have a hand cream, and this is the Kuromi hand cream with the cherry scent. To be honest, this scent is it doesn't really smell like a cherry, but this hand cream is really good, and it's really cute too, so I carry that. And I have some tissues. These are my Melody tissues, and these are really cute, and even the tissues inside have my Melody print on them, so that is just the most adorable thing. And these are really small, so just in case I need a tissue, I have that. Next, in that makeup bag, I have this little case that I already showed before in some previous videos, but in here I carry some really small necessities like bobby pins, some Q-tips, and these little hair treatments like hair oil, just one-time use that I can pop open and put on my hair in case my hair looks terrible or whatever. So this is my small necessities case. Next thing I have in the makeup bag is this, and this is also another little My Melody zipper bag, and in here I just keep some band-aids. And even though now it's not band-aid season, as to say, because we wear, like in the summer I always wear shoes that make me have blisters, but now it's not such a big necessity, but you never know if somebody's gonna get hurt, so I just carry this just in case. And the rest of the stuff is actually makeup items. So yeah, it looks like this. This makeup bag is pretty spacious. So in the side pocket here I just keep a little sponge and a little puff to use with my foundation or powder if I need to touch up. And then of course I have my powder. I feel like I've had this powder forever, but this is the Urban Decay All Nighter powder, and it's the best powder in the world, and it's really slim, so I keep that. The only downside that it doesn't fit any kind of cushion or puff inside, but I carry that separately, so that's okay. Next thing I have in here is this. These are the Cézanne makeup products. So this is the eyeshadow trio, and this is a highlighter, and I did put some My Melody stickers on them because why not. But this is the Cézanne eyeshadow in the shade 04, and this is just some very basic simple colors in case I need to touch up my eyeshadow. And even though my eyeshadow of that day may be different color, but this is good to have because these are just really natural colors. And then I have this highlighter. This is the Cézanne highlighter in the shade 01, and this is a really pretty highlighter, and I always want to make sure that my highlighter is there. I don't know if you can see, because when you wear a mask, this part is out there, so you want to make sure that the highlighter is always popping. This is my Alice in Wonderland lip balm from the brand DHC. So yeah, I just like to have that just in case. And I also carry this. This is the Kiki and Lala eyeshadow, and this is just a really glittery topper kind of eyeshadow that I can put on top of any other eyeshadow that I have if I want to have more glitter on my eyes. I always carry a concealer. This is the Daiso Hello Kitty concealer that looks like this. It's super cute, and I don't usually touch up my concealer, but just in case I do need to touch up, I always carry this one. This is Kiki and Lala Little Twin Stars, a little cheek slash lip color. This is a liquid thing, so you can use it as a lipstick and as a cheek, as a blush, so that's very convenient. I also carry this. This is just a little liquid eyeshadow with super chunky glitter that I always apply underneath my eye, and I use different colors, but this one I like to have in my bag because I also want to make sure that my under eye area, like the lower eyelid, is always super glittery. Also always carry a brush. This is the Urban Decay brush that comes with the Naked palette, so it has two sides, and that's really convenient if I want to touch up my eyeshadow. And also I carry this. This is just a brown eyeliner from where is it from? From Majorica. Yeah, just a brown pencil liner. Then I also carry this, and this is just a little travel size little jar, and in here I put some body cream. So this is the Bath & Body Works Life's a Peach, and I really like that scent. I have obviously I have the full size body cream, but I'm not gonna carry that. I saw some girls on YouTube that carry the whole body cream thing, and I feel like that's just incredible. But yeah, I don't have a car, so I can't be carrying such a huge bottle with me, so I just put it in a little travel size jar. And yeah, that's pretty much all for this makeup bag. So yeah, you guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the what's in my bag, and yeah, let me know what stuff do you carry inside of your purse. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!